All right, so tell me a little about Pilosa and why'd you start the company?
Yes, well, Pilosa solved a really specific problem that we had at our last company. It's actually a spin-out, and this is continuous analysis for real-time intelligent applications. Today's data is not all historical. It's not about data lakes anymore. It's about all the data that's happening now and using that to figure out what's going to happen next.
Right, and that abstraction of that data is really the value, is what you're trying to get to, right?
Exactly. Today's real-time applications are so ephemeral. It's like predicting a disease on the way to the hospital in an ambulance so that you can take a different course of action. If you don't have all the old data and all the new data, you just can't do those things.
Right, and that temporal nature is really, really important. Now to do that, though, you needed a lot of storage, you got to crunch a lot of processing, and so build your own data center?
Exactly. No, we want to focus on innovation, so we accidentally invented something that makes data incredibly small. And that's what we're focusing on building out, and that's why we've started to work with Oracle, because we don't have to worry about all the other pieces. The level of access we've had to top executives, to thought leaders, to training, really focusing us on learning all about Oracle first, and then really getting out into the market with them. We could have never imagined that it would be this great. And I've been a part of a lot of these programs in the past, and they rarely deliver. This one is over-delivered by far already.
So talk about Oracle Cloud. Why Oracle Cloud? A lot of choices out there in the marketplace. You know, what drove you to the Oracle side?
Yeah, this was one of the amazing surprises. Obviously, we got into the Oracle Accelerator, and we were excited about getting sales and finding new customers, but we never really expected the infrastructure to perform the way it has. Most importantly, it's the cost per performance. So we're releasing some new benchmarks shortly that just show Oracle outperforming every other cloud by far on a cost per query basis. So we actually do it on a cost per mega query basis.
Mega query?
Mega query, and the mega query incorporates everything that you might need in compute, the orchestration that goes around it.
Oh, so this is not a regular TPS, that's it. I mean, you're talking about real world queries.
Exactly, and we've gone sort of from containers to container orchestration to now being able to deploy entire managed services, and there's just hands down no better place to do it than Oracle. These are really mission critical applications that we're enabling for our customers, and you would never deliver a mission-critical application anywhere else. Just being able to sleep at night knowing that the Oracle team is solving these problems and we're not. Agility, so the adoption of open architectures, of cloud-native technologies, I never really expected. I expected a very closed source, closed environment, and it's exactly the opposite.
So you see Oracle Cloud as an open ecosystem?
Absolutely.
Well, hey, this has been wonderful catching up with you. It's been a while, so hey, thanks a lot.
Yes, my pleasure.